In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a design in Canva effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with this powerful tool, resizing your designs is a fundamental skill that comes in handy for adapting your work across various platforms. Let's dive into a streamlined process that you can follow along with ease, ensuring your designs look perfect, no matter where they end up. To begin, ensure you've already logged into your Canva account and have your design file open. Once you're in, you're set to start the resizing process, which is both quick and straightforward. With your design open in Canva, move your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find a menu with a variety of options to optimize your creative process. Look for the Resize button, an invaluable feature when it comes to adjusting your designs for different formats. Clicking this button will open a new set of options. It's important to mention that this feature is available with Canva Pro, so if you're using the free version, consider upgrading to take advantage of this handy tool. When you click on Resize, you'll see another option labeled See All. This is your gateway to exploring all the available dimensions Canva has to offer. At this point, you have a smorgasbord of sizes to choose from, catering to an array of needs, whether you're designing for social media, print, or digital presentations. Canva provides preset dimensions for things like Instagram stories, Facebook posts, posters, and much more. Selecting an appropriate size is critical, so take a moment to consider where your design will be displayed and choose the size that best matches your needs. Once you've settled on the preferred size, you have the option to either resize the current file or choose Copy and Resize. For the purpose of maintaining your original design while adapting it for a new size, select Copy and Resize. It's an efficient way to create a duplicate that's scaled precisely without altering your initial work, providing you with both versions of your design. After making your selection, give Canva a moment to work its magic. The platform will automatically resize your design to the new dimensions you've chosen. During this brief wait time, Canva is ensuring that all elements within your design fit well into the new format, maintaining the visual integrity of your work. And there you have it. Your design has been resized and you now have a new version tailored to fit the exact dimensions you require. This flexibility allows you to convey your message cohesively across various mediums, all while keeping your brand appearance consistent. This is how you can easily resize a page in Canva with just a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today as we simplified the resizing process. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel more at ease working with this fantastic design tool.